Palm husk carbonization technology has multiple environmental and economic benefits, promoting efficient resource utilization and sustainable development. Subtropical and tropical regions are the main production areas of palm oil, and palm husks exist in large quantities as byproducts. Through carbonization technology, these wastes can be converted into valuable resources and improve resource utilization efficiency. Secondly, if palm husks are not treated, they will become agricultural waste and cause land and water pollution. Carbonization can effectively reduce the accumulation of these wastes and reduce environmental pressure. As a high-quality soil conditioner, palm husk charcoal can increase soil fertility and increase crop yields. It is especially suitable for agricultural production in subtropical and tropical areas. Palm shell charcoal has a high calorific value and can be used as an alternative fuel to reduce dependence on fossil fuels, reduce carbon emissions, and meet the requirements of sustainable development. The development of palm husk carbonization industry can create employment opportunities, promote the development of related industrial chains, and promote the prosperity of local economy.